Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage listings on multiple platforms with Zillow. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your Zillow account. Navigate to the Manage Listings section. Select the property listing you want to adjust. Review the current status of your listing. Click on the Edit button to update details. Adjust the property description as needed. Ensure that the pricing information is accurate. Upload new images if necessary. Check the listing for compliance with each platform's requirements. Confirm the listing's visibility settings. Review and integrate feedback from potential buyers or renters. Save all changes once you are satisfied. Repeat the process for additional listings. Monitor the performance of your listings regularly. Adjust your approach based on market response. Keep communication open with potential clients through messages. Explore tools for cross-platform listing management. Utilize Zillow's promotional options to boost listing visibility. Stay updated with any changes in Zillow's policies. Continuously refine your listings to attract more interest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.